This video is about how to replace the boot tailgate hinges. This car came in and had a work on the back, as you can see. The tailgate was damaged and the hinges were broken, were bent. So to replace this hinge, this is the hinge. This is one of the hinge and this is the other one. So they are all bent. So to replace them, you need to come into the car and then move the seats, the rear seats. You need to remove the rear seats. As you can see, you need to pull all these panels out. This panel, you need to pull them out, pull the other one, then drag this towards you, drag this cover towards you. Then there's a 13 bolt there, as you can see. So undo the bolt, undo the bolt, and then do the same thing with the other one. Then take it out, then you can put the other one. I will make a video on how to remove the rear seats. Just watch out my next video. Thank you. Hope this helped someone. Bye.